Thank you very much. I'll revenge. Anytime. The Secretary General has said it all. I think from our side, there is a deliberate move to support teams that are preparing for Olympic Games. This season, we are concentrating on Olympic Games only, and we wish the team well. It's not the first time that rugby is participating in Olympics, and so we wish them well as they leave, and we hope that they'll join the teams that are beginning to qualify so that we can prepare well and prepare early.
The team jets out tomorrow, and we have very high expectations of this team. They've been prepared really well, and this funding here would not have come at a much better time, because we are ready and actually primed and ready to win in Harare.